Hi guys, Janelle from Charlotte here with the latest Dempsey crossbody. So I love this bag because it holds all of my favorite things. You've got your wallet, you've got your keys, and your favorite pair of sunglasses, and it zips right up. I love to keep my lip gloss and hand sanitizer super accessible, so the pocket in the back works perfectly. Tell me what you think of the Dempsey crossbody.